John Higgins, Mortgage One. Happy Monday. So the economic kind of tug of war continues. The numbers have been on both sides of the line as far as good and bad. We had a strong employment number that came in at 130,000 new jobs created. So that was a bit above expectation. Well, the GDP number that was released came in at 1.4%. I think we were looking at something closer to 3%. So that was quite disappointing. And then inflation that came out last Friday has been a little bit hotter than expected. In December, it rose at 0.4%, gives us an annualized rate of 2.9%. We know the Fed is trying to get to 2%. That's their target, and we don't seem to be making much progress on that front. Having said that, the 10-year Treasury is not in too bad a shape. The graph here shows our year-to-date numbers. We got as high as 4.3%. We're back on the trail to 4%. We really need to get below 4% to see a market difference in our mortgage interest rates, but we're kind of making a run here, and we'll keep our fingers crossed that we might be able to break beneath that 4% number. Where does that leave our mortgage interest rates? Well, right now we're at the lowest rates we've seen maybe in the last 3 years at 6.01%, almost to that magical 6% number that we've been trying to fight below, seems like for many a year here. If we get that 10-year Treasury to drop below 4%, maybe some economic news that the market likes could be bad economic numbers, maybe good economic inflation numbers, or maybe even more news on the tariff situation. That could be the catalyst for driving interest rates below 6% finally here. It seems like, again, we've been waiting an eternity to get there. I did want to once again introduce you to my marketing studio, Move to Marketing Studio. It really is a fantastic tool for you to use to help you win more listings, prospect for buyers. We do all of the marketing for you: video trailers, audio tours, flyers, QR code options to capture your prospects' phone numbers and email addresses, and much, much more. Would love to help make 2026 your best year yet. Give me a call. Love to set you up with our program. We'll talk to you soon.